Hello everyone and welcome back to VLADA'S place. Great thing about sailing is that some days you have a lot of wind which puts you to work, while other days there's no wind at all. On days like that, you get to rest and just hang out. We are slowly heading towards Kalamos Island. Our skipper Yozo was telling us a story about the famous George's Tavern on this island. Apparently, George became famous for his hospitality and for coming out with his dinghy to greet every boat that comes to his tavern. It's actually quite amazing to sit in the middle of this beautiful sea and to talk about the random things and random people. This is such a good way for my busy brain to relax. When you don't get to win, you don't get to sail. But regardless of that, we still got to eat. So no matter where you go, you take good food with us. So we're trying to turn these pita bread into pizza. We have some cheese, we have some sausages, we have some home smoked meat as well, and a little basil and oregano, and we got ourselves pizza. So anywhere you go, there's always a way to bring good food to the table. By the way, pita bread is a great thing to have if you're traveling, because at any point you can turn your leftover food into pizza like we're doing tonight. I'm using last night's spaghetti sauce as a base, and I'm also pulling all the cold cuts out of the fridge. Mickey's shredding some mozzarella cheese, and then we're just going to top it and layer it with the cold cuts like salami or the sausages or maybe turkey or ham, whatever you have. This is a good time to clean up your fridge. Top that off with some fresh or dry herbs, salt and pepper, a whole lot of garlic, and some extra virgin olive oil. This is super easy and unexpectedly delicious. I love when you can turn leftovers into a whole new delicious dish.
And then all of that is so much better when you get to do it with your best friend. And by the way, this is my bestest childhood friend. So yeah, food, friends, and travel, life doesn't get any better than that.
In just about 15 minutes, you have yourself a delicious and a hearty lunch. With lunch done, we're off to the next adventure. Thank you so much for watching and for following our adventures. My name is Vlada Vladic. If you enjoy our travels and quick recipes, please don't forget to subscribe.